Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine at your home. Now, today we are starting with our third poem, that is The Quarrel. What does quarrel mean? Quarrel means fighting with each other, or you can say jhagda in our simple language, when we do ladai jhagda with our brothers and sisters. And this poem, The Quarrel, is written by Eleanor Farjun. Now, before starting the poem, I just want to ask, have you ever quarreled with your brother or sister? I know the answer is yes. Now, do you know how long such quarrels last or how do they end? Just think about these questions. And now I'm reading the poem for you and then I'll explain it to you. I quarreled with my brother, I don't know what about. One thing led to another and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night." I was in the wrong. So he was in the right. So this was your poem. Now come to the first stanza. Here what is mentioned, I quarreled with my brother, I don't know what about, means the poet has a quarrel with her brother, but she didn't know the reason for that quarrel. One thing led to another and somehow we fell out. Here it means that from one thing to other the quarrel started and they quarreled to the utmost. Then in the next line, what is there? The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. It means when the quarrel started, it was slight, but when it ended, it was very violent and strong. Then he said he was right. I knew he was wrong. According to the poet, her brother demanded himself to be right, but she knew that he was wrong. Here, the poet is saying that her brother said that he was right, but she knew that he was wrong. It means that both of them were thinking that they were right. And now come to the second stanza. We hated one another. Here, hated means they stopped talking to each other. The afternoon turned black means as they have stopped talking to each other, there was complete silence in the house, which seems like darkness everywhere. Then come to the next line. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back. Here, thumped me means her brother came and he patted her on the back. And what he said, "Oh, come along, we can't go on all night." He walked up to her and patted on her back and he suggested that they should patch up. And he also admitted that he was at the fault. And what he said, I was in the wrong. By saying I was in the wrong means he was admitting his fault and he is saying that I am wrong. And so finally he was in the right because the one who is admitting his mistake is on the right side. So this is your poem, The Quarrel. I hope you all will understand it. Thank you so much. Take care.